Welcome back to the deep dive. So, you sent us the source material on the PureLink MVS-41 4K60 HDMI switch.
That's right.
And our mission today is to really cut through the spec sheet. We want to figure out what actually defines high-end AV switching and scaling in, the current 18 gig ecosystem.
It's a great challenge because once you get into professional installations, think high-stakes conference rooms, digital signage, you're not just looking for connectivity.
Just looking for stability.
Exactly. So the basics here, it's a 4-in, 1-out switch. It manages HDMI 2.00B, which gets you that full 4K 60 support.
And that's 4K 60 at a full 4.4.4 chroma subsampling, right? That's where the whole 18 GBPs of bandwidth really comes into play.
It is. That 4.4.4, it's not just a number. It means you're getting all the color information in every single frame.
So if you're displaying like a corporate logo or detailed graphic.
I think color critical, yeah. You need that complete pipeline. And of course, it handles the digital handshake, the HDCP 2.2, and 1 in compliance.
So all your protected content actually shows up on the screen.
It just works.
Okay, we get the bandwidth part. But what's the one feature that really separates a device like this from, I don't know, a cheap $50 consumer switch? What's the pro benchmark?
A killer feature is the Motore scaling engine and what PureLink calls don't blink seamless switching.
Don't blink, I like that.
Because think about it. In a big meeting, the presenter switches from a laptop to a media player. And if that screen goes black for even 2 or 3 seconds,
you've lost the room. It just kills the professional flow.
It completely breaks the immersion. So the real insight is that the switching has to be, invisible.
Okay, so speed is crucial. But what if I'm running sources at different resolutions? Or maybe I'm feeding some weird, unconventional video wall. Does that seamless switching still hold up?
It does, and that's where the Motore engine's flexibility is so important. It's not just passing the signal, it's actively managing it. It gives you 14 different resolution scaling settings right out of the box.
14?
So it's incredibly adaptable. It ensures that no matter what you plug in, it fills the screen perfectly every time.
That makes a ton of sense in a corporate environment where you have no idea what people are bringing in.
Exactly.
And speaking of complexity, I see the MVS-41 also goes beyond a simple switch with its multi-view capabilities. I love this idea for monitoring.
Oh, multi-view is a huge integration tool. You can do a single image, of course, but also side-by-side modes or that popular picture-in-picture.
And you can move that little window around?
You can adjust the size and position, yeah. It turns a normal display into a really dynamic presentation or monitoring tool.
But let's talk performance. Is there a trade-off? When you're running 4 signals at once, does it slow down the don't blink speed?
The engineering is designed to handle that load.
Yeah.
It has dedicated processing power, so it's always prioritizing speed and stability. Which brings us to the hidden values that keep systems reliable, audio and EDIDEs.
Ah, yes. The stuff that system integrators live and die by. On the audio side, it's got de-embedding, so you can pull out analog audio and SPDIF separately.
Right. You can route the audio to a proper sound system, not just the tiny speakers and a projector. And it supports the modern formats, too. We're talking Dolby Atmos, DTSX.
The whole stack.
Yeah.
And EDIDE management. This is notoriously tricky. If the source and display don't agree on the EDIDE handshake, you often just get a black screen.
A very frustrating black screen. And that's why this is so valuable. It manages that whole mess by offering 17 preloaded EDIDE tables.
So it covers most common scenarios.
Almost all of them. Plus, it can actually learn and store the EDIDE from your specific display. It basically eliminates the #1 cause of AV integration failure.
So pulling this all together, the applications are pretty clear. Hospitality, convention halls, corporate, even serious home theater setups.
Absolutely. Its strength is that it's integration ready. You have the panel controls and IR remote, and the really key one, that RS-232 API.
Which means it's designed to play nice with third-party control systems. See, it mentions Crestron and QSC specifically.
It's a workhorse. It's built to drop into a bigger system and just run.
So, to synthesize our takeaways here, the MVS-41 manages signal diversity with 4 inputs. It ensures top-tier quality with 4K 60 and 18 GBPs, and it guarantees a professional viewing experience.
All thanks to that Motore engine and the multi-view features.
A really powerful package.
And this raises, I think, a final provocative thought for you to consider. Given this level of robustness, the seamless switching, the scaling options, the EDIDE management, at what point does trying to save money on a cheap consumer-grade switch actually cost you 10 times more?
In maintenance, frustration, lost presentation time.
Exactly. Reliability is that hidden cost you're paying for. And also, for anyone involved in large-scale procurement, it's worth exploring why TAA-compliant products are so significant in those big purchasing decisions. Something to think about.